In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do query on Zoho. We are going to walk through creating a lead inside your Zoho CRM setup. This is one of the basic tasks you will use often, because leads are where you start tracking potential customers. If you have never created a lead before, just follow along carefully, and you will be able to do it by the end of this video. First, you should click Sales. On your screen, look for the main navigation area where Sales is shown as a module. Clicking it will take you into the sales tools that are designed to manage leads, contacts, and opportunities. This step matters because the lead creation option is usually located within the sales area, not in unrelated sections of the platform. Once you select Sales, give the page a moment to load the relevant menu options. Next, click Leads or Contacts, depending on which module you use. If your CRM workflow is set up around leads, choose Leads. If your process is organized around contacts instead, select Contacts. It is normal to see both options, but your system may be configured to encourage one more than the other. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct area, because choosing the wrong module can lead to confusion later when you try to find your new record. After you select Leads or Contacts, you should click Create Lead, or click plus Create. This is the button that starts the form for entering a new record. When you click it, a creation page or a pop-up form will appear. This is the moment where you start entering the information that will identify the person or business you are tracking. If you do not see the Create button right away, check that you are on the Leads or Contacts listing page, since the button is typically located near the top or on the right side. Now enter the required details. The form will usually show certain fields marked as required. Focus on those first, because Zoho will not let you save the record without the minimum information. Required fields might include basic identification information such as a name or key company details, along with other data you want to capture for your sales process. As you fill in each field, you may see drop-down menus, auto-suggestions, or text boxes. If you are given options, select the option that matches the information you want to store. If you are typing, make sure the spelling is correct and the details reflect what you want to use later in reporting and follow-ups. As you enter the details, take a careful look at how each field is labeled. This helps ensure you are placing each piece of information into the right category. For example, make sure you are entering data into the correct name field and not accidentally into a related field that has a different purpose. Even a small mismatch can make your records harder to search later. Once the required fields are completed and you are satisfied with the information you entered, you are ready for the final step. Finally, click Save. This sends your new lead record into your Zoho CRM database. After you click Save, Zoho will usually confirm that the record has been created, and the page may redirect you back to the leads list or show the details of the new entry. At this point, you can double-check that the record appears in your list and that the key details you entered are correct. If something does not look right, you may need to edit the record, but in most cases it should be straightforward as long as you filled in the required information. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.